Amazing animal facts. Cows produce more milk when they listen to music. Soft tunes help them relax and boost milk production. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Certain species use cloacal respiration to absorb oxygen. A sloth takes 2 weeks to digest its food. They have the slowest metabolism of any mammal. Male seahorses get pregnant. They carry and give birth to their babies. Ostriches can run faster than horses. They can sprint at speeds of 60 kilometers per hour. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. If you shave a tiger, you'd still see its stripes. The pattern is embedded in their skin, just like human fingerprints. A group of crows is called a murder. This eerie name comes from folklore, where crows were associated with omens and death. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around for 400 million years, while trees evolved around 350 million years ago. Tardigrades survive in space. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that can survive extreme conditions, including the vacuum of space and radiation. They can even live without water for decades by going into a state of suspended animation. Honeybees can recognize human faces. They can even associate them with good or bad experiences, which means they can recognize you if you've ever crossed paths with them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.